Hello, welcome back to mHUB Inside, and welcome to our fireside conversation with Quinn Campbell, our shop Sherpa.
Hello.
This is probably our first channel update, like official channel update, and it's a sad one because today is actually Quinn's last day as an employee at mHUB, the Innovation Center where we film all these videos. So Quinn has been here since the beginning, and so we're just going to ask him some questions about his experience, where he's going. Hopefully we'll be able to get him back from time to time on some videos.
I'll be in the background occasionally.
You'll be here.
Yeah.
It is not a goodbye.
It is not a goodbye. It is a we will see you at different times.
Yes. So Quinn, tell us about your mHUB journey. Like how it's evolved over the years.
Yeah. I would like to say I'm an OG. I always told people, and people laughed when I said I was the spiritual guide to the shop, as you might see with some of my ambiance on video. I've been here for however long the building has been open, minus 6 months, so quite a while. I've seen the shop change, I've seen the shop grow. I was actually in the building before mHUB was open. I remember there not being certain walls and none of this stuff being here, and meeting Manas before like things were anywhere. He's like, who's this guy asking me questions at like 1 a.m.? So yeah, I've been here for a minute.
And what has been, like now that you're leaving, you've seen the shop evolve and we've gotten new equipment and you've worked on so many projects. What will be like the one tool that you'll miss most, or what has been your favorite machine to own and train members on?
Oh, well, lasers are nice because pretty much anybody that can draw a line on a computer can use one. It's the number one thing that I say anybody should come in and learn immediately, just because everybody can draw a line on the computer in general. And it's super versatile because you can take a 2D object really easily and just build it Legos and stack them and to make it into 3D objects. So you can do a lot of cool stuff with them real quick. Tormachs, obviously, Fusion 360. I'll still be using some of that myself. But it was always interesting to see how people wanted to utilize those pieces of equipment for their own projects. And I was like, oh, I didn't think about using it to do that thing, but yeah, that's totally smart. I've seen some really weird work holding jigs and fixtures that people have made over the years. So, yeah.
And if there's like a question or two that comes to mind of new members that always come to you with this problem, what is that one problem that most people have that you have to shepherd them through?
There is no one question. That is the thing, and anybody that watches this that knows me and has asked me questions here, it's always, hey Quinn, I have a question, and my immediate response was, no you don't, you have multiple. So it'll be like, seeing where the sequential of those questions go is always an interesting journey. When they get one answer, like, oh, I didn't think about that, cool, here's the next thing I want to know because you answered it this way.
Fair point. All right, so tell everybody about what you're doing next.
I'm going to a company called Influent Energy, which is a green energy storage technology company that's doing some really cool R&D. It'll be actually a couple blocks from the new building. Speaking of which, there's a new building. So while I'm ending my journey of mHUB employment, I will be really excited to see how that new building goes. And because it's a couple of blocks away, you'll definitely see me around. Yeah. But I'll be doing their R&D and space outfitting and development to manufacture whatever it is the engineers happen to need.
Yeah, so good news for us that you'll stay in the neighborhood.
Yes, definitely going to stay in the neighborhood.
And you alluded to the fact that we have a new building. It's something that we just announced
so congratulations,
recently.
mHUB.
We're expanding our 63,000 square foot facility to 80,000 square feet. It will increase our functional space by like 50%. And allow us to kind of rethink the tools and the equipment that we have in the shop and the labs that we're providing for early stage technology and climate and energy and health tech and smart manufacturing. Super exciting. So that's something that we'll probably focus more on this channel, just kind of seeing that come to life and showing you the transformation of how we're putting the shop together. Also, I'm about to like pop any day now. So I probably won't be as visible on this channel either in the summer. So we're going to hand the reins over to some other trusted guides in the mHUB network. So totally stick around. There's a lot of exciting stuff still coming up, and Quinn will show his face from time to time.
Yes, yes. This is not goodbye. This is see you later.
Yeah. So on that note, we shall see you later.
Auf Wiedersehen.